So hello everyone, today we are going to make a roller. So let's start. First we have to select front plane, sketch, and select the line with a drawing. Okay, then dimension will keep, length will keep 242 mm. Then width dia is, it will be 30 mm, so we'll keep 15. Okay, features, select this line. This is our roller. Then we have to cut the hole for this shaft. Sketch, normal. Select the circle, make a circle. And I will keep 20 mm. So 20 mm, this hole for the shaft. Okay. Picture, extrude cut. So now we have to throw all. Select here, throw all. Okay. Now we have to cut a step for the bearing. Sketch. Select the hole. So here we will use bearing 6000. So outer dia will be keep 26. So small dimension 26. Okay. Now again extrude cut. Then we'll keep around 9 mm. Okay. So first step is complete. Select this edge, sketch, normal, circle, (26). Okay. Cut 9 mm. Okay. So our shaft is ready. Sorry, roller is ready. So 1 minute. Quality higher. Okay. Our shaft is ready. Just select the material. Still